What's good, YouTube? It's the Chevy Kid here. Today I'm going to be covering the HVAC system on the truck. I'm just going to mainly be going through the heater part, not the air conditioner because I haven't touched that yet. But I'm going to be showing you some things to look for just in case your blower motor doesn't work or you're not getting power to it. And I'm going to show you how I fixed that on the truck. Alright, so originally on the truck, my grandpa said everything worked on here, but he hadn't ran the system in a while, so it wasn't in use. So I was thinking I was going to have to replace the blower motor resistor, maybe the relay, maybe the whole motor. But basically what I did is I took it apart, cleaned the system, and I went through all the parts of it. And I don't know if you guys can hear that on the camera, but it does work. Everything does work. The heater works. Not the air conditioner at the moment because I haven't gone through that yet and there's no charge in the system. But I'm going to show you guys what's up with the system. Alright, YouTube, the first thing you want to check is this junction block right here. This is what delivers power to your blower motor. And it helps deliver 12 volt power when it's all the way on high. So what you need to do is take these off, clean them, check them, make sure you're getting power to it. You just check with the multimeter. Attach the red here. Then you attach the ground to a known ground you have. I attached it right here to the ground for the headlights. And there was power going to it. So the next part you want to come to and check is your blower motor resistor. So if I'm not mistaken, this is a 1/4. You take this off, remove this right here, and what you want to do is when it come, get you some sandpaper, clean out these little tabs, go right here, clean off these tabs from the blower motor resistor. And if you even want, you can go through and dip the blower motor resistor in some Vapor Rust or some vinegar, anything you want to use to take off some of the rust. Then the next part is right here. Is this relay, right? That controls the fan speeds. So you have purple, red, that's your 12 volt. Then you have these three right here, which are your low, second low, and medium speed. Then finally you get to the blower motor. Alright, so what I did is I took apart the blower motor, and you just take all these screws that's around here, I think it's 14 of them, and you take off this power wire and this cooling boot. This cools the fan. And all you do is take apart the blower motor, you hook up 2 pieces of copper wire to your battery, one for the ground, the other one is your power, goes in there, and you test the blower motor. But what I did is I took the whole motor apart, cleaned it out with some sandpaper, some W40, sprayed in the little back here, the housing where the blower motor spins, or you can use some grease, and that solved my problem for the AC system, well, not AC system, heater system, and that allowed my blower motor to work. Now, another thing I'm gonna cover is snap, is this heater cord. Taking this out is a little bit tricky, but pretty simple. Alright, so what you have here, before I cut to the video I shot ahead of time, is that you have 2 screws here, then you have another one up in here. Can't see you with the video, but there's one in there that you need to take out. Then there's one, if you reach straight ahead, there's one right there that you need to take out. Alright, then going back to the engine bay, you have 3 speed nuts. Right? Oh snap. I have one here, over here, then you have one under the condenser housing. That's a little tricky to get to. Most videos would tell you you have to take off this inner fender, remove this, remove the battery tray, all that extra work. You really don't need to. All you need is a couple extra extensions and a little bit of patience, and you will get it done. So got this box out. This is the one that came from it. and it has plastic vacuums on it. And this is the one I bought off someone on OfferUp and got the metal hoses on it. Now, I could just put this one in, but there's a plastic tab that sits on top of it, which I don't have. Yep, right here. This plastic tab is broken. Now, what I'm planning on doing to make sure everything goes back straight is put the one that came with it back in there, which I suggest doing. But these parts fit, you know, basically into any year model truck. But real quick, so you don't make a mistake like I did. Taking this out, this pin right here goes inside there. Right now, what me and my dad did, we flipped this over and hammered it out and ended up breaking a piece of plastic on the inside, which I believe holds it in. Instead, we should have just twisted. See that right there? I can see that. It's a little hole inside that holds that in. Now, what I could do is just completely tear this one down and switch everything over. But I just wanted to show y'all a little difference, you know, a problem that I'm having. But also a quick tip, when you're taking this off, make sure this is straight when you take it off. And it slides right off just like that. We get the housing. I'll show you. Hold on. Just like that. And when you go inside, to really get this off, there's a bolt that's in here that you got to get with the 5/16. You know, I just want to give that size because there's a lot of videos on YouTube, a lot of older videos with older guys, and they don't really give the sizes on these nuts, which really saves a lot of time. So for these, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Can't really see in there, but yeah, there it goes. Look, right in there. They all should be 1/4, but for mine, it was 1/4. Then when I got right here onto this section, let me go back to this one. This section up here, it had different sizes. So I'm not sure if that's a thing on all of them or not, because this one had all the same size on it, no problem. This one had like 2 that were a different size for some reason. I don't know why, but that's pretty much the little difference on the heater boxes and the issue I'm having.